Hey, Craig from MobileMonkey here. So we're going to talk about scan codes. This will be a really short video because scan codes have been retired or will be retired on August 15th. Facebook is no longer going to support scan codes. They are not going to have the option in the Messenger app. So what I'd like to do is take some time to show you what you can do instead of scan codes. So what you can do is you can go to a site like this, QR Code Monkey, and you can create a share link and put your share link in here and create a QR code. Now all newer phones have a QR code scanner, and Facebook even has a QR code scanner inside the app. So it's not going to be really a big issue. So if we go back here and we go to share links, you can literally copy this link right here, go here and paste it. And then you can choose, the different size you want. You can add logo colors. You can do all this stuff. It's a pretty cool app. And you just hit create code. And then you download it. Then you can share this code. You can print it out. You can save it on your phone. You can, email it, whatever you want. And when someone uses their QR code scanner and they scan this code, it's going to redirect to whatever link you created here. So for an example, this is just a demo link. So it's going to redirect them into your bot from the scan code. So we're sad to see scan codes go. I really thought it was a really cool feature. They did a really cool design, and it was something that a lot of people used, restaurants used, brick and mortars used. But as Facebook making changes all the time, we adapt, and using QR codes is going to get you the same results. All right, thank you for your time. If you have any questions at all, email support@mobilemonkey.com or post a message to our Facebook group. Thanks a lot.